Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, HP computer has no sound in Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device. Click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click your audio device model. Click Next. Click Yes. Your audio device is successfully installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.